We have to decide what are we going to have dinner during this week to make the shopping list.
Great, but I don't know if this is the best moment because I'm starving.
Well, let's go to decide the menu.
Okay, we could have dinner, salad pasta with broccoli and maybe grilled salmon on Monday. Do you like salmon?
Yes, it's perfect. And maybe cream of green asparagus and potato omelette on Tuesday. You said that you like asparagus, didn't you?
Yes, asparagus is okay. I've had it many times before. Next day, we could have dinner mushroom risotto.
Oh, delicious. That's a good choice.
I usually go to Zumba on Wednesday, and I need to eat more carbohydrates that day.
On Thursday, green salad with tuna. What do you think about that?
No problem, salad is my favorite dish because I can add whatever I want. What's your favorite dish, Colette?
I really like pizza. That's my favorite dish.
I know a perfect supermarket near here, where we will find all we need to buy and the best pizza.
Then we'll have dinner pizza on Friday.
After doing the shopping on Saturday, we could go out to have lunch. Maybe fish and chips. It's a typical dish here and I know a great place in Newtown.
And where are you going to show me the city as you told me?
We'll start this Saturday after having lunch.
Oh, thanks, Marlene. I'm very excited. And what will it be the menu on Sunday?
What do you think about green beans and roast beef for lunch and sandwiches for dinner?
I think that is a great menu.
Then we'll make a shopping list before we go to the supermarket.
Okay. We need to buy a carton of milk, a head of lettuce, and a bunch of carrots.
We also need a loaf of bread and a dozen eggs. Anything else?
Yes, a box of pasta and a bottle of olive oil.
I'd like to buy a cup of yogurt.
Oh, delicious, and a tub of ice cream as well.
Oh yes, we'd also need a box of tea bags and a jar of honey.
Do we need anything else from the supermarket?
Nothing else, Colette.
Okay, let's review.